Hello YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox, open new 2 cent control. The Techno control. Yeah, I opened it ready off camera because I don't want to waste your time. Yeah, open it. Yeah. So, yeah, it's 1 month. Yeah. Wait, I'll be right back. Oh, bear with me. Yeah, bear with me. So, nothing in the box. Nothing in the box. I opened it. Come on. Alcohol. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Let's see. Techno. First time. Yeah. Oh. Wow. 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 Feel nice. So, yeah. Techno. Yeah. Control. It's here something. If you want to buy it, it's track front open. Yeah, yeah, it's glossy. Yeah, yeah, it feels nice though. Yeah, in person. I listened to one YouTuber mention about it, that too. Yeah, I will put this down below in description. If you want to check it out, each game different colors. We made green, something green, blue. Yeah, this Techno. Yeah, so yeah, Techno. Yeah, yeah. Here we go, Techno. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, man. I feel nice. Like Ps4 control. 2 cents control. Yeah. Yeah. I will put trips in down below if you want get one too. Yeah, I will send a link about that. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Look nice. Button. Wait. A button. red button. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Look at PlayStation button. Yeah, right there. Yeah, match red. Yeah, black. Etsy fashion. Yeah, yeah. Wow, wow, man. Yeah, Techno. Yeah, hardcore. Yeah, and it's like glossy to finish back, back hair too. Yeah, glossy. Yeah, wow. It's that fingerprint. Yeah, keep in mind that it tracked fingerprint. Yeah, control. Yeah, yeah. Okay, it's a quick unboxing. That God bless you. Next time, if you like this video, make this thumb up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button every time I post new content. You, you get a notified every time I post something new. Yeah, and that God bless you. Amen.